Hey everybody, Brandon Schoen coming to you live from our office warehouse. I'm standing here back in our cleaning business. We've got the laundry systems behind me. Got an empty parking lot out here because all our teams are out cleaning today. And the reason they're all out cleaning is because we have a constant supply of fresh, hot leads coming in every day, systematically, automatically coming into our business every day. And I really feel like that is the number one thing holding a lot of businesses up from growing. If you have a cleaning business, the number one thing that could change everything is having more customers and having more recurring customers. So if that's something you need help with, I just wanted to share my story and testimony with you. We've been marketing this business for many years to get it to where the growth numbers we're at now, 7 figures. I found Tom, and immediately, just being a marketer myself, I knew exactly that just working with him, there was an immediate transparency, an immediate connection that I felt like this guy really knows his stuff. From everything from copywriting to running paid traffic ads to search engine optimization, SEO. So all really key elements in growing your business and creating a true marketing machine that just markets automatically for you. So if that's something that you need help with, that you're looking to do, or if you're looking to just hook in some new cutting edge marketing strategies to grow your customer base, to get those fresh leads coming in, so you got your teams always out, got a full day, full house load of jobs to do, you got to set up a system. You got to have something that is constantly bringing those leads in, nurturing those leads, because you can't do it all. You got to be able to focus on the higher level stuff to grow the business. So even though I'm a marketer, I do this stuff. I have done it for a long time. We've gotten to a point in our business where we're just realizing like time is so valuable, and in order for me to be able to replace myself and live the life that I really want to live and be happy, this is just one other thing I was able to get off my plate, hand it to Tom and the team at Clean Fortune. And from day one, it's been amazing. They're so transparent. I feel like I know exactly what's going on. There's an amazing dashboard reporting database that they hooked up. So it pulls in all this data and all these things that, tracking calls, keywords, all these things people are using to find us and convert. It's truly amazing. It just makes everything in one place, easy to find, easy to track. I mean, this was something I was wanting to set up anyways, but Tom just did it on top of so many other things that I didn't even realize it. He does chat bots. He's doing our SEO now, paid traffic. A lot of our business in the early days was Google AdWords. Tom is an amazing expert at AdWords. Just some of his free stuff I've learned, I started integrating that into our AdWords campaigns, and then I was like, you know what? Tom is the expert on this. I'm just going to let the experts be the experts. I'm not going to try to do all this myself. So if you're looking for help to grow your cleaning business, to set up a system, a lead machine that gets customers for you on demand, that's what you need. And that's what we have. That's why we're at 7 figures now. We've got systems in place. We've got marketing systems pumping leads into our company. And I'm so glad to have Tom on our team helping us do that. So thank you, Tom and Joanna and just the whole team. You guys have an incredible team. So thank you guys for helping us. The onboarding was amazing, very seamless. And we just, again, launched a new website. You guys are helping us with that. I mean, just all these little details I would have never thought of. I feel like I've got a marketing team in my back pocket, and not only that, they specialize in the cleaning market. So how much more valuable is that to really know this market intimately and know what that entails and what's going to get the best results. So if you haven't checked out Clean Fortune, worked with Tom yet, I highly recommend them, and I know you guys will see amazing results in your business. Get more customers and have Tom help you do it. Thank you guys.